What's going on, you filthy animals? Gabe here with the Review Dork, and let's get right to it. The Batman. Here we go. 32nd film in history to reach 300 million. Now, why does this matter? April 19th, HBO Max, The Batman goes on a streaming platform. And with the new business models in play, still, AMC is confirming the argument that shorts are fucked, and the short thesis is just getting weaker and weaker. Especially now here in 2022, where you have Hollywood, the studios who want to make the money and they want to get their movies out into theaters like AMC. Okay, so this bodes well. Again, the Batman making history. We had the Spider-Man making history back in 2021. We have a lot of bullish news or sentiment, especially with the gold mine right now. That's a whole different video. I have my own tinfoil hat idea on what that move is. But let's go ahead and look at the SPY here. Okay, so what we're looking at is the SPY on the daily. The 1348 has not crossed just yet, but we see price action above the 200 EMA. And, well, we're going to get to this in a second, right? You're going to understand why I'm so bullish, but we have to go ahead and look at the SPY on the 4-hour. The SPY on the 4-hour, we have been given the buy signal with the 1348. We have the shaft trend cycle. And guys, if you follow me on the Discord, you already know my thought process and what I'm looking at. And you guys have played these crosses time and time again. You know you have reason to be bullish about the market currently, right? We have RSI above 50 as it stands, 66. Again, all the signals say systems go. Now, why do I bring that up? Well, we have to look at the SPY here on the 5-minute today. Again, if you played the SPY, you got the signal today. You know, you saw this candle here. This was the Powell candle, right, at 12:30. And, you know, you guys like to beat us YouTubers up a lot for, you know, I guess, whatever you guys want to beat us up for, right, as if we control the price. No, we don't have that much power, but Powell does. And, well, we saw the cross to the downside, and boom, we have that sell signal here, okay? And then you saw, you know, the SPY just dip. Guys, if you got this signal, you made a lot of money, right? You're coming in at 444, you're coming out at 440. Whoo, lots of money to be made. But then we see this buy signal towards the end of the day market close. Now, why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this because AMC did literally the same thing, okay? So we got this candle here, 12:30, right? This was the Powell effect. Then we have the cross. Then we get the sell signal at 1 o'clock. So it lagged the SPY by a few minutes, 10 to 5 minutes, right? 2 candles. But what do we see here? We see another buy signal again, mimicking the SPY, you see. And this is something I want to see. I want to see that AMC is following the broader markets. Why? Because we've already shown you that we're bullish on the SPY, you see. And if we go to AMC on the 4-hour, we could see that AMC has broken a key level here at 1560, right? Next levels, key levels that we're looking at is 1634. Then we got, 1650 up to 17. But we are waiting for this cross to happen now. A couple of things. We have the shaft trend cycle showing green. We have the RSI, again, above 50. We have the MACD confirming the trend. We are absolutely bullish. And I would expect that once we get this buy signal here on the 4-hour, AMC is a runner, at least up to the 200 EMA, which is right here, guys, right? So that's 1871. So I expect AMC to make the move to at or about 18 to 1871 in the near future. You know, we've been dealing with months and months and months of pain all the way since way back in November, right? We've had negative news after negative news, negative everything, right? We know that the Feds are going to possibly raise, interest rates 50 basis points, right? We're preparing for that. We know we have an inflation issue. We know that we have a supply chain bottleneck issue. We've been talking about this for 6 months, so it looks like the market just really wants to decouple itself from all of that and say, hey, The market exists to make money. Why aren't we making money? Let's make fucking money. Now, I want to go ahead and bring something up here. It's a narrative that I feel like as a community collectively, we need to start decoupling ourselves from, just narratives that really don't make sense. After all, I showed you what you needed to see with the chart, right? And hopefully that makes you bullish, right? But we have this here, and yes, I'm coming after you, Reddit. They don't plan on covering ever. Now, why am I highlighting this? It's because it's got 1.5 thousand bananas. 1.5 thousand. So 1,500 bananas. Meaning it's gaining traction. Meaning this narrative, this ideology penetrates through the community. And it is not true. It's a distraction. You have kids on Reddit who create these fantastic narratives that really don't make much sense. And so by the time us YouTubers come up and we bring up the chart, we get that feedback where AMC is not following TA. Fuck you. It is. It's following TA. Okay. It's following the market. I mean, that's just what it's doing. Okay. And so as a community holding AMC, saving a company and holding it for 17 months, I think it's time we start treating it like the stock it is. Start treating it as the short squeeze play it is, because the shorts are fucked. The thesis is just literally falling apart. They're irresponsible with a 20% short interest, but we have to treat it as that. These narratives, no, they do nothing for the price action. What does something to the price action? Powell and the broader markets. And that's what I wanted to highlight to you guys today. Anyways, this is Gabe. I'm signing out. I'll see you guys at 8 o'clock on the Discord. Peace.